Hey, if you're using AI Studio, listen up. I'm going to show you how you can use advanced SEO to pre-render your SEO settings for your AI Studio vibe-coded website right inside of GoHighLevel. This is absolutely crucial to getting better SEO results with your AI Studio vibe-coded website. So all you have to do is log into AI Studio and then go into any of your projects. Then you're going to click in the top left, the settings icon. So once you click settings, then you'll see right here, SEO. Now, all this is only for published projects. So make sure your project is published and on a live domain. If you haven't done that yet, then from this screen, you can click go to publish and you can toggle on this icon in the top right once your project is published. Now, once you publish your project and connect it to a custom domain, you'll see these get checked off, and then you can enable advanced SEO support by clicking enable or toggling it on like that. Now, the first thing this is going to do is this is going to pre-render your page content to make it easier for search engines to crawl. So for an example, if we go to a platform like Claude and search up information about our website, it's just going to provide some very basic information without the advanced SEO support. If you can check out this, you can just see we've just got a paragraph. It's not organized very well and it's not SEO friendly. Versus after we've implemented advanced SEO support, you can see we get way more information like features, plans, and more information about this website specifically. Now, inside of AI Studio, there's a couple of other things we need to do to make sure that we are improving our SEO for our AI Studio websites. This is absolutely crucial. So the first thing is we can improve our social preview content. And in order to do this, all we have to do is click copy prompt right here, and GoHighLevel is going to give us a prompt. And then we can throw it into our chat box by just pasting. And then once we send this through, this is going to improve our meta tags for our website. The next thing we get access to, if we go back to settings and then SEO, you'll see we have access to generate a sitemap, which helps search engines see all of our different pages for our website. And all we have to do to implement this is just do the same thing and click copy prompt and then paste it just like we did the other one. The last thing we can do is submit our sitemap to Google Search Console, and we can do so by clicking learn how. This will take us to our sitemaps report from Google, and we can generate that, and then we will be good to go. So in summary, the first thing is just pre-rendering page content. This is going to be really important for SEO. The second thing is we're allowing AI crawlers to see our content by using these social preview content, generating a sitemap, and we're allowing them to index our site with all of these different features. And the last thing, of course, we can submit to Google Search Console. And this is going to help a lot with any vibe-coded websites we've made inside of GoHighLevel. So you essentially get the same great SEO settings that you get from GoHighLevel's website and funnel builder right here inside of AI Studio. We just have to actually generate it with our prompts inside of the actual chat window, and it will do it all for us. You can see this is going to keep generating this for our website. It's going to be adding our SEO, our HTML tags, everything that we need for this website to rank well in search engines. Now, for your website, make sure you give context to the AI Studio builder so it knows exactly what your website is doing outside of what you already have on the page. So if you have additional information you want to include for different pages and why people should go to them, for example, you have a contact page and you want people to know that they can book a call there, make sure you tell the AI Studio that, so that way it can implement that into your SEO and get the best results possible. Now, if you have any questions about your SEO with your AI Studio vibe-coded websites, feel free to drop a comment on this video or refer to the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.